matrimonial alliance who's equally qualified and professionally settled, then you're watching the right video. This is Pragati Upadhyay. Today I am here with another video on one of the best Marathi marriage bureau in Badlapur, Thane. A marriage bureau for Marathi elite and middle class families. A marriage bureau which is not only limited to Marathi bridegroom matchmaking services but also manages wedding vendors such as photographer, choreographer, caterer, wedding venue, music bands, as well as taking contracts for everything. From matrimonial matchmaking services to organizing weddings in Badlapur, Thane. But before that, if you are new to our channel, please like and subscribe and do not forget to press the bell icon to never miss another update. Badlapur city is a group of 4 villages, namely Katra, Kulgaon, Badlapur and Manjari. The actual Badlapur village is approx 3.5 km from the main city centre. Badlapur is a locality in Thane with Ulhasnagar line to its northwest, Kasgaon in south, Umroli and Ulhas river in east and Ambernath in west. Some of the key areas in the neighbourhood include New Wadavli, Belawli, Shirgaon, Kharwal. The Mumbai International Airport is around 60 km away. Badlapur provides work opportunities to workmen and other heavy and mid-scale industrial section. Major industries are original equipment manufacturers, OEMs of chemicals, polymers and engineering. Our forefathers believed that marriages are decided in heaven, but it is we who have to start the process. In Badlapur, Thane, some people meet their life partners easily and some others have to struggle to find one. It is still more difficult to get a suitable bride or groom in Badlapur, Thane. In good old days, marriages were arranged by friends, close family members, relatives, priests or even barbers. But in this cyber age, the search for Marathi life partner in Badlapur has been taken up by Marathi marriage bureaus or Marathi marriage consultancy in Badlapur, Thane. Today I will introduce you a Marathi matrimonial service provider in Badlapur which is efficient for those who are encountering with the problem of searching and finding the Marathi families in Badlapur, Thane for matrimonial alliances. Although there are many marriage bureaus arranging marriages in Badlapur, but the marriage bureau in Badlapur who have changed the concept of Marathi partner search and they resolved all the drawbacks of traditional marriage broker services in Badlapur. Imagine a marriage bureau which delivers a great shortlist matching your brief in under 7 days and not in weeks like others. Very briefly, I am going to tell you what the Marathi family is looking for in their search for a bridegroom in Badlapur. Yes, they keen to match with people of similar status. They also look for a personal and lifestyle match. And last, there has to be a perfect match in terms of both the family and the business. Now coming to the details of Dharma Vedic Marathi matchmaking services in Badlapur, Thane. Dharma Vedic offers a personalized and exclusive way to choose a life partner in absolute comfort with utmost privacy and confidentiality. We have never compromised on the quality and the services provided to the customer. We provide special and personalized online cum offline services just like your neighborhood marriage bureau in Badlapur to help you find the right match. Frankly speaking, Dharma Vedic creates a partnership with clients, parents, families based on trust, understanding and delivering. We are not here to make empty promises. We are here to make connections between great people and families in Badlapur, Thane. We are dedicated to providing superior customer service every step of the way related to marriage in Badlapur. That's why 9 out of 10 clients tell us they'd recommend us to their colleagues in Badlapur, Thane. The top features of Dharma Vedic are: number 1. We do not just sign up clients for a fee. Our team personally assesses their lifestyle and see whether they qualify to be one of our clients or not. We have a very transparent approach towards this. Number 2. We have the large Marathi database of profiles in Badlapur and our service is 100% discreet and confidential. We also have hand-picked matches that suit you by trained relationship managers who will facilitate meetings with prospective partners in Badlapur, Thane. Number 3. Our Marathi matchmaking service in Badlapur, Thane fee ranges from 65,000 rupees to 2 lakh rupees only. One more thing, Dharma Vedic also arranges wedding vendors, wedding venue and other related things at a good discount at At the same time, apart from arranging wedding vendors, Dharma Vedic also takes contracts for organizing weddings in Badlapur, Thane. So parents, it's hard time now to find the best bridegroom for your loved one. Please make an effort to call or message us at 8828952895 so that we can help you throughout the Marathi matchmaking process in Badlapur, Thane. You can also download Dharma Vedic app and register yourself. Registering with Dharma Vedic is absolutely free of cost. Join and connect with us through our videos, or you can also visit our matrimonial matchmaking portal www.dharmavedic.com. If you have not subscribed our channel, then please subscribe it and do not forget to press the bell icon for latest updates. Stay tuned and stay fit. Namaste. Thank you.